Hi, and welcome to the Unveiled Lotus. I'm Valerie Tiana, your shamanic energy liaison, here to guide you to you. Today will not be structured or organized like a syllabus like normal. I'm just going to do a little talking and hope that everything is going okay with you. Now, one of the things I wanted to talk on is anxiety or fear. I want to make sure that you know fear is usually false evidence appearing real, or makes you want to go run and F everything and run, right? So we don't want those two outcomes. We want to change that false evidence into pure facts. And we don't want you to run. We want you to stand in that moment. So the next time you have a situation, a relative, a coworker, anybody that you're just not agreeing with, I want you to actually stay in that moment and see another point of view. Now, you want to stay on a positive point of view, whether it's your life, their life. You just want to stay on the positive side to make sure that you're aligned, right? Okay, so stay in that moment. So let's say you get into a debate with your coworker and y'all talking. Don't try to find any excuse to leave because their energy is going to own that moment. I want you to stay into that moment. What I mean by this is stand there, analyze the situation. What could this be trying to tell me? What can I learn from this situation? Is this just for them, or are they trying to keep themselves up? No, find out where this energy is going. How is it derived? Just analyze the moment. Put your energy into it without any fear or feeling like you want to go. The reason I say this is because thoughts are electric, right? They give power to your emotions, which are magnetic. So now you have emotions pulling, right? So you feel angry and you're ready to pull. That's a pulling feeling. You're angry and you want to run. That's a pulling feeling. So they're already pulling. Now, if you're running from that feeling, it's pretty much going to either separate you from some of your energy or leave you not complete or with regrets, wish you would have said something later, all of these things and above. But I want you to stand in that moment, see what possibly could your will have to do with that moment. What can you do that will change this outcome, that can better yourself out of it? So you're pulling out anything that's good and you're leaving the bad, and you are putting positive magnetic thoughts with your powerful, did I say that wrong? You're putting positive emotions, magnetic emotions with your powerful thoughts. So now if you have a powerful thought and some magnetic emotions, it's gonna pull it here to the physical where we can see it at. So I just want to make sure that y'all are taking y'all chances and opportunities to make everything that you do in life work for you. So anything else? Nope. That was just a couple of minutes. Hope everything is good. Y'all have a great day, and thank you again for joining us at the Unveiled Lotus. Also remember, those who need a little bit of a jump start or a boost, I'm here for your Reiki healings. We do have the options for remote at this time, and they are discounts if you look at the information below. So I thank y'all so much for joining me, spending a couple of minutes with me, and have a great day. Bye.